So the old Featherweight, she's all up and running now. I haven't got the propeller on for the test drive, so there's no real load on it. But I'll just quickly give you a quick view of it running. Obviously the water gallery is all cleaned out and it's started up really easy, so she's running sweet. Have a listen and have a look. Very nice, I'm very pleased with this one. Bought for £25. I've customised the flywheel, but other than that, she's all original. So there's another little seagull rescued. So just got to get the prop on. The prop can go back on, and we'll have to try and get her out on the canal or the river. But no, I'm very pleased with that one. Started up really easy. Started up on the third pull. Yeah, tickled the carb and away she goes. Very, very nice. This is a 1970 40 Featherweight. Yeah, nice one. All right, guys. Happy seagulling over and out.